Hey there, dessert lovers. Today, I've got a treat that's going to knock your socks off. Red Velvet Cheesecake Brownies. Imagine the rich, velvety goodness of red velvet cake mixed with the creamy, tangy delight of cheesecake, all in one bite. Let's dive right in. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8x8-inch baking pan. Now, for the red velvet brownie base, grab a large mixing bowl. Whisk together 1 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter until it's smooth. Stir in 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 ounce of red food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, one at a time. Make sure you mix well after each addition to avoid any lumps. Next, mix in 2 slightly beaten large eggs until everything is thoroughly combined. Gradually stir in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour until just combined. Make sure not to overmix. Set aside 1/4 cup of this batter for later. Pour the remaining batter into your prepared baking dish and smooth it out. Now let's move on to the cheesecake filling. In another bowl, beat 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature using an electric mixer on medium speed until it's light and fluffy. Add 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue to beat until the mixture is well blended and only small lumps remain. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Spoon the cream cheese mixture in dollops over the brownie batter in the pan. Gently smooth the tops of the dollops with a knife or offset spatula. Remember, do not overmix. Drizzle the reserved 1/4 cup of brownie batter over the dollops of cream cheese mixture. Now for the fun part, using a knife or a skewer, drag it through the batter and cream cheese mixture to create beautiful swirls. This not only looks fantastic but also ensures each bite is a perfect blend of red velvet and cheesecake. Bake in your preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until the top is dry and the edges have started to pull away from the sides of the pan. Once done, let it cool completely before cutting into bars. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Store your delicious red velvet cheesecake brownies covered in the refrigerator. And there you have it, a dessert that's perfect for any occasion, or just because you deserve a treat. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy baking.